good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Sanjeev Mathur from VC Media, and we are here at a SATE event. And we would like to have a glimpse of your stall that you have set up at SATE. So we have Mr. Manoj Dharmani, Group CEO from DU Digital Global, and we would like to understand from him his journey about himself, the growth of DU Digital, and what does he feel about the SATE event, about going ahead.
Morning, Sanjeev. Thank you for your time. So, DU was established in 2015. So, it's around 10-year-old company, and we are into different part of businesses, and mainly towards the visa part of the business. So, if you look into DU journey, we started with the visas, and then we came into verification process. So let me explain you what are the 4 key pillars of DU Digital is all about. One of the key pillar is the DU visa processes. So we do a visa process for various countries. We also have a visa application center for Bangladesh, for Morocco, Lebanon, Malaysia, Thailand. Of course, Malaysia, Thailand is now visa free, but we still own a Thailand visa application process center. Apart from that, we do a lot of other visas for countries like UAE, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Europe, Schengen visas, American and Canadian visa. So we created a vertical where we started getting into B2B model, that means travel agent. That's why SATE plays a very, very important role. This is our second year in SATE. Last year was the first time we participated, and this is second year in SATE. The core objective to be in SATE is to capture with and connect with the agents so we can provide them a service. The differentiator between us and other visa provider is a service. Service is a very, very important part for us because we manage that service pretty well, and we understand the documentation part very well. And how do we understand the documentation part? Because we have a visa verification, documentation verification process, which is a AI-driven documentation verification process. We do the document verification for Georgia and South Korea. That means any person who wants to apply for Georgia tourist visa, we do the verification for them, for the consulate, and give our report to the consulate. So we understand the documentation very well. So we can do the visa process very well. So that's how there is a synergy between the two processes. The third process we do is company formation and a lot of UAE business, golden visas for UAE. That's our core segment also. So we do, if you are interested in forming a company in UAE, we are there. And we do a PR part of it. So we do the immigration processes for people traveling to other part of the world. They want to change their passports. We help them in getting all that done. We are also now trying to venture into the manpower transfer, skilled and semi-skilled manpower transfer. So this is a new branch or new vertical which is coming up. Hopefully we will be able to establish this in next 1 year time to do that.
What is that manpower transfer?
So we are looking into the skilled manpower transfer to Europe and Eastern European part. We are looking into nurses and doctors. We are also looking into semi-skilled and blue-collars job mostly for the Eastern Europe or for the Gulf. So that's what we are trying to get into. We already have got our MEA license done. So sooner we will be into that part of the world, starting the transfer of skilled manpower and semi-skilled manpower and blue-collar manpower from rest of the world. Because India has a lot of potential to supply this manpower, so we are trying to get it.
Oh, good. That's a nice venture that a travel agent or travel agency is now venturing into, something unique for them.
Yeah, so we are not purely a travel agency. We are basically, we do not do an airline or we do not do a hotel part of it. We only look into one part of it, which is a visa part of it. And we feel is a visa is a last point or a last point of the journey. You need a very specialization in that part. It's a very specialized process because there is a lot of documentation which is involved in the visa part of it. You can book a ticket on any portal.
Yeah.
You can book a hotel on any portal. If it goes wrong, you can cancel it. You can change it by paying some fees. But if your visa goes wrong, your complete journey is spoiled. So
Right,
imagine you're
correct.
traveling with your family and your documentation is not set right by some local travel agent, or you have tried to do it yourself and your visa fails. Your complete program is gone. Your hotel, everything, inventory does not make any sense. So
Correct.
that's why we are only specialized in visa. We do not do any other kind of packages. We are trying to now work into South Korea and Eastern Europe packages. That's what we are trying to get into. But those are very, very specialized MICE movement packages. We're not
great.
going to do the FIT part of the business, but mostly the MICE movement package. MICE means
Yeah.
big corporates and big
It will be a niche product. Right?
niche.
Right. And any other plans for expanding in the coming years?
Currently, we are in 6 countries. So our expansion is, we are looking into different business verticals in different countries. Like we are exploring Singapore, we are exploring Philippines, we are exploring Sri Lanka, we are exploring some part of Europe. Before we go into US and Canada, that's where we are trying to reach now. And this with the manpower supply business, we are looking into many part of the world. Since we are into company formation for UAE, now we are also exploring the company formation for Sri Lanka. So we are tying up with the Freeport. Sri Lanka has come up with the Freeport area where we are trying to set up the company formation setup in that Freeport area. So that's a new ventures which is going to come up for us in next 1 year or 2 years.
And I mean, how has been the response at Satay?
Starting response has been pretty good because this is our second year. Last time we were able to capture quite a lot of travel agents and we were able to connect with them. We were able to bring it on our platform. This year we are hoping, since we are now more matured, this visa business for us is a fairly 1 year B2B I'm talking about. The travel agent visa business is almost a 1 year process. Last year we started with the Satay only, so we have completed 1 year. So we have found the Satay has been a good event where the travel agent connect can happen and we can connect with them and get the business more.
Thank you for your time, and we wish Deep Digital greater heights, greater success, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.